रहेंगे हम नहीं ना चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज़्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this matte brown smoky eye look. If you watched my last video, you know that I was wearing the same thing, filming in the same setup. That's because this is the second part of that video. I just did my everyday makeup look in that video, and this video is about the eyes, right? So I actually did this poll on Instagram asking that what they wanted me to do next, and somebody said do a matte brown smoky eye. I said okay, I'll do it. So yeah, this is it. If you want to know how I achieved this look, keep watching. I'm going to be using this shade as my transition shade. I'm going to take a darker brown and I'm going to place it on the edge. I'm taking it inwards towards my lash line. Don't worry if everything isn't blended right now, because we're going to blend it out later. I'm just placing the product right now. ना चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज़्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं जो तुम ना हो. Now I'm placing it right below my crease, just to deepen it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take a fluffier blending brush to blend this extremely ugly harsh line. Circular motions. And to finish it off, I'm going to take like the deepest brown, and I'm going to apply it very very close to my lash line, like as if I was applying eyeliner. Guys, I would recommend you do this before you put on your face makeup, but since I already did that for the last video, I'm going to have to do it this way. You've already built the base, and now this is what you want to do eventually. Okay, and now you have to blend it. I'm just going to take that big fluffy blending brush again, and I'm going to blend everything together in the crease. I'm going to use the blending brush I used to place all my products, and I'm not going to add any extra product on this. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to go under my eye, in my, what is this place called, below the waterline, and I'm going to create the shadow over there so everything connects to each other. Okay, baby! Now I'm going to finish this off with some mascara. Add a little inner corner highlight. And boom, a matte brown smoky eye.